Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can turn on or enable the DeepThink feature for replies and responses you get from the artificial intelligence on DeepSeek AI. So let us guide you through this. Alright guys, so head over to DeepSeek, log into your account. Let me just refresh that page really quickly. And let me give you an example. So as you can see, we're accessing this chat and conversation. For example, I have had with DeepSeek AI and I gave the artificial intelligence a prompt like that. And basically guys, you can apply the DeepThink feature for any prompt you give. For example, I don't know, if you ask a question, you can always post your question here into that text field. But before you send it, by clicking into this button or by pressing enter, make sure that you enable the DeepThink feature. Once it is enabled, it will be highlighted in that bluish color here. Now let me show you how it looks like in practice. So after that, the artificial intelligence would provide a reply to you, like that here, for example. But before it does that, before it prepares that reply or response, it will go through a short thinking process, the deep thinking process, as you can see now here with that icon. So it's the same icon. And it will think, or will be thinking for a couple of seconds, and yeah, based on that, prepare a more better structured, deeper reply or response like this here. So you can use this feature, guys. You can also turn it off so that you may receive answers, as you can see, like that, without that thinking process here, guys. So that's basically it. You can expand or collapse these thoughts here if you like. So that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.